Many people are asking how to use Grok AI on X, I mean Twitter. This is what I want to show you in this video. How do you use Grok? Now, in my previous video, I indicated where to find Grok. This is Grok icon. When you come to X, that is Grok icon. Remember, Grok belongs to X and X belongs to Grok. That is, the owner of X, which is Elon Musk, is still the owner of Grok AI. So how to use it? Just click on this Grok icon like this. Now, you can see, look at here. For instance, now maybe you want to know what is actually happening in the globe. You can click here and it's going to show you latest news. Once you click it, it will show. Now, if you want to edit image, you use this one. If you want to generate image, you use this place. And if you want to ask any question, just type the question you want to ask here. Now, let me delete part of this. Now, let's assume you want to upload image. You can click on this small icon. Now, if you want to set the, you can set the speed or the capacity. You can set the speed. If you want to set the speed, just click here. Look at here. So you click on that drop down arrow like this. So you can see auto, fast, expert. Which one do you want? You can click on experts. Now you can use it to do whatsoever to do. For instance, now let me click on latest news and see what it's going to bring out. So let's wait for it. So it's thinking now. So if you are coming to X, you don't even know what to type, you can just make use of the AI, the Grok AI, to type whatsoever you want to type. Then you will copy whatsoever the AI gives you, then go and post it on your X. And if you want to generate image, you can do the same thing. It's very simple. So you can see that it is thinking the current news in the globe. That is what it's trying to bring out for us. You can see the source is bringing source. And let's wait a little bit for Grok. Aha. Look at the news now. You can see top breaking story, escalating US-Iran conflicts. You can see. So you can easily, now if you do like this and you want to go back to the previous place, this is what you need to do. Click on this edit icon. Click like this. You can see, oh sorry, it will bring you back to the previous place. So this is how to make use of it. Now, for instance, now I can just tell Grok to generate an image for me. Generate image of new trending crypto. And just, it may not sound too, but let's just see. So just for instance, you are going to see what it's going to bring. You can see it's generating the image. So the image will soon be ready now. So I think it has generated it. Look at it. Look at the image it generated. So this is how to make use of Grok AI on X. It's very simple, and you can see you can see that the image is very beautiful. Yeah, so it's very simple.